Welcome to the Nolan Build Shop. We're about to go through the process of making a double V walnut table that I recently commissioned. So first of all, we're using some wood that was not used on the previous project that I'm running through the planer to get off some old leftover glue and stuff that had fell on it. I did cut those boards down to 5 inches in width, and now you see me cutting a 22.5 degree bevel on these. And this bevel is going to allow me to make the V shape for this table base. And you'll notice that that offcut I don't throw away. I'll use that to reinforce the V shape during the glue up process. And here we are again making the second cut for the opposite side to make the V shape. And you'll notice I'm using the jig for this. That allows me to stay steady and keep this angle straight. And here we are. Done the glue up. V shape is put together. And now I'm going to put some dominoes in to make a cross brace to connect the V shapes together. And you'll see what I'm talking about as the video progresses. You'll also notice I'm using that Ryobi light because it's kind of hard to see a pencil mark on walnut. And those dominoes make things so much easier to get that alignment. Now I am drilling holes in where these V shapes will be reinforced with some turnbuckles. So I'm drilling this angle on a parallel angle so that the turnbuckles can be going across at a level angle once the table is right side up. Right now the table is upside down. And now I'm drilling in a recess for the bolt to be able to not be protruding out of the table, the bolt and the nut. As you can see, I've already done one on the left side here. Now I'm doing the second one. I'm using a Craftsman drill guide to assist with the angle here and keep me steady with a force and a bit. I believe I used about an inch and a quarter force and a bit here to lay this off and get this straight and keep steady. And now you'll see me putting the turnbuckle in to make sure it works. I made sure I left the jig in place to make sure that I went deep enough to make sure that the nut is not protruding outside of the actual table base itself. And now you also notice that I'm peeling this green tape off. That was to ensure that I got a clean cut on the walnut. And I'm pretty much done at this point. The only thing I left to do is put some Rubio on it and finish the table out. I think I ended up putting some self-leveling feet on the bottom and on the tops to finish this guy out. I did not get any video footage of putting the Rubio on, but in this next frame you'll see the finished result. Now this table is not my design. It was sent to me from a customer, and I took that design and I recreated it for him. And I believe it is a beautiful design, a beautiful table.
She is done. You gotta whisper to the wood.
I really like the color of the walnut with the Rubio pier on it, and I really love the sapwood of the walnut where it's a little bit lighter, then you have some of those darker tones as well.
V base.
And you hear me now in my original video whispering to the wood because I was so excited to see this guy finished and actually work, because the concept of those two V's staying right side up is, a little sketchy to me. But it works. The actual weight of the table makes everything level out. So this is one of my builds, Nolan built. Not my design, but definitely a finished product. People come and ask me to build things, and I try to deliver. We design, we create, and we deliver.